have strong posture when you're engaging in conversation with people. Be real, be pleasant.
Yo, it's your boy Kid Kangen. Got here, what we got here, about to do an install for this family. Do a K8 installation. So stay tuned. It's about to go down. I got my mans over here busting those suds. What's up, Sergio? Say what's up. Yeah, you up here helping me out get everything ready so we can find a new home for the K8. It's gonna be right here on the. So we got everything unboxed. Who wants to do the honors? Who's not gonna drop it? Okay, I'm gonna hold the box. Go ahead and pull that beautiful device up. Yes, protect it with your life. Woo, clean and pristine. Beautiful K8. Let's go find this new home. Go ahead and find this new home. I'm on tape. Is actually inspected and put together by one engineer. So everything that's put together inside of there was done by one person, all from the factory. So it's coming, and that's gonna go to the end of this nozzle there. So one second, go ahead and put this onto the so it's not on yet. Soldier's over here trying to mess with the filter. So this has a double carbon antibacterial filter. It lasts for 1,500 gallons. And the machine will kind of track those for you. This one's real cool because it's built inside. You can see exactly when it's going to run out. But yeah, there's so many options with this one that none of the other machines have. Readjusting the setup. Yeah, if you think we need some pliers to get it on there. We just popped off before, but it doesn't need to be too tight. It's just snug. Nice and snug. So yeah, that's good. Okay, the other fellas over here say, how you doing? How you doing? Yes, absolutely. So you're helping out. Okay, we go ahead and get some power. So there we go. Pouring some 9.5. Give it a little more water pressure. That's what we would call slow pour right there. If you want real slow water. But when you want the water that you're drinking, about right there is a little more. It'll be good. A little more. I'm just checking out. Yeah, that's about right there is good for pouring your water. Go ahead and put one drop in here for me. Just one drop. Go ahead and let's see what we got. Oh, that's what you want. That dark purple. 9.5. Who has a glass? Can we get some glasses to go around? Can we get some glasses? That's just to go around. We want to go ahead and fill them up. Nice. Look at the cloud. Wow, that's when you know you're pouring some real powerful antioxidant water right there. You see that cloud. So yeah, we about to tip up. We're about to tip up these glasses. Everybody looking. Cheers.
All right. Water right there.
Some good water. You can go ahead and turn that off. Everything's good. I don't want to waste that water.
Yeah.
That's some good water right there. Yeah, cheers, everybody. Oh, you're very welcome. Yo, that was a successful install. Everything went well. All is according to plan, you know. One faucet at a time, baby. One faucet at a time. You know, just waiting on y'all to catch up. But this is real fun, honestly. You know, just sharing water. That's pretty much what we're doing. But it happens to be some of the best water you could drink. For one, hundreds of other uses, but just drinking it for one, it's really the best thing you can do. I mean, really, I don't understand how somebody could want the finest alcohol. They want the top shelf liquor, you know. They want the J's and Cartiers and all that good stuff, but why wouldn't you want the best of the best as far as drinking water is concerned? I don't finest garments, you know, dapper down, looking fresh, you know, smelling good with the finest of perfumes or colognes, you know, want nothing but just rock with your boy. Come get a sip of this water. No harm, no foul. No harm, no foul. Okay? It don't matter where you are either way. I can find somebody to give you some water. That's all we do. We share water. Alright? So stay tuned. A faucet near you. It's your boy King Kangen. We out.